Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid of Zaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Sunday, 27th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karat gold without VAT price is 236.43 and with VAT is 271.89. For 1 gram price of the 22 karat gold without VAT is 217.04 and with VAT is 249.60. 1 gram of 21 karat gold without VAT is 206.88 and with VAT is 237.91. 18 karat gold 1 gram without VAT price is 177.32 and with VAT is 203.92. For 14 karat gold 1 gram price without VAT is 138.31 and with VAT is 159.06. For 10 karat gold without VAT price is 98.59 and with VAT is 113.38. Last but not the least, for the 6 karat gold without VAT price is 59.11 and with VAT is 67.98. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this video with your friends so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.